Welcome to Spend Wise Moms. This video shows how to make a Tibetan bread called Balep Korkun. The link for the recipes is in the description box below. I found two types of recipes for Tibetan bread. One is very basic and one has more ingredients. I will not cover the basic one in this video since I didn't like it very well. It only has 3 ingredients in it: flour, baking powder, and water. The baking powder was way too much, I thought, and it left a bad aftertaste. The other recipe was from a video I saw with a monk making the Tibetan bread. I couldn't understand them, but I tried to create a recipe that replicated what they did. It turned out so well that I had a hard time stopping myself from eating it all. Start with 1½ cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of softened butter, a tablespoon of oil, and 3/4 cup of water. Mix them together, adding a little bit of flour if your dough is too sticky. Place it in a greased bowl. Cover and let it rise for about 30 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 parts. Roll each piece out like you would for naan or pita bread. Heat 1/3 cup of oil in a cast iron skillet. I think that other nonstick pans could work, but I've not tried them. When the oil's hot, carefully place the first bread into the skillet. When there's some brown spots on the bottom, carefully turn over the bread and cook it on the other side until it has brown spots. When it is done, place it on a plate. You can put paper towels between the loaves to absorb the grease, but I found that I didn't need them. When they are cool, eat them right away. They are best eaten fresh. Thanks for watching Spend Wise Moms.